just a quick review of angles and parallel lines. So here we have a F angle, the official name being a corresponding angle. So if you see this shape, it could be back to front upside down, but the angle here and here are the same, and these are called corresponding angles. With a Z angle, the angles where your lines meet here and here are the same. The parallel lines would be there. These are called alternating angles, and they might be upside down, back to front. And here we have the C angle. Official name is co-interior angle. Now, co-interior angles are not the same. You can tell they don't even look the same. Co-interior angles add to 180. So it's these bits here, add to 180. Let's just look at this example here. So angles on a straight line add up to 180. So this is 30. And corresponding angles, no, co-interior angles add up to 180. So y is 150. And here x is 75. And here x is 112. Okay, this should be a review for you. So have a go at the 3 questions here and the 3 questions on the next page. Put me on pause and pause when you're done. Okay, so here we have an alternate angle, Z angle. So x is 59. Something to bear in mind is all the angles on this line. You can look out for ZF or C angles, but they're all different from the ones on this line. Now here, for this second question, I would actually turn the diagram around so that your parallel lines are horizontal. All right, that's better. So we have right, what do we have here? Okay, we have a few different things going on. I would like to use a Z angle, an alternate angle, and say that this is 55. And then angles on a straight line add up to 180. So x is equal to 180 minus 55, which is 125. Okay, next question is slightly more complicated. Let's see what we have. So we've got parallel lines here. So, x is the same as this angle. And I know angles on a straight line add up to 180. So 180, take away 41, take away 60. Gives me the missing angle, 79 degrees. Okay, have a go at the next 3 and see how you get on. Okay, there's quite a lot going on in this first one here. So here we have angles in a straight line add up to 180. So 180, take away 134 is 46. And then we actually have an isosceles triangle here, don't we? Because these 2 lines mean that these angles here are the same. So let's do 180, take off 46 and divide by 2. So 180, take away 46, 134, 134, divide by 2, 67. So these 2 angles here are 67. And then we have a alternate angle. So this angle here is the same as x. So x is 67. Okay, question 2. I can see a alternate angle here. This angle is 48. I can also see some corresponding angles here. So we've got a corresponding angle here, 77, 77. Also a corresponding angle here, 48, 48. I mean, we could have used the big triangle or the small triangle. Angles in a triangle add up to 180. 180 minus 48 minus 77, 55. Okay, what do we have here? Another alternate angle, 76 degrees. Got an isosceles triangle. Base angles are the same, 76. Angles in a triangle add up to 180. 28. And angles on a straight line add up to 180. 152.